What is the cost of a key fob battery replacement?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that most car owners might encounter at some point: the cost of replacing a key fob battery. Knowing this can save you from unexpected surprises and help you budget accordingly.
What is a key fob battery?
A key fob is a small remote control for modern vehicles that allows you to lock, unlock, and sometimes even start your car remotely. The battery inside this fob is what powers these functions. Typically, they are coin cell batteries, which can be found in many everyday devices.
How often should it be replaced?
On average, a key fob battery lasts 3 to 4 years before needing a replacement. However, this can vary depending on the frequency of use. When the battery starts to weaken, you might notice decreased range or inconsistent operation.
What's the cost?
The cost of a key fob battery replacement largely depends on the type of battery and where you buy it. Generally, generic batteries. You can find them in most stores and online for between $3 to $7. Dealership replacement. If you choose to get the battery replaced at the car dealership, they might charge anywhere from $10 to $20 due to labor and the brand of the battery. Specialized key fobs. Some high-end vehicles have specialized key fobs. Replacing the battery for these can be slightly pricier, perhaps up to $30. Remember, you can often replace the battery yourself with a little care and the right tools. It's a simple process. In conclusion, a key fob battery replacement can cost as little as $3 or as much as $30, depending on your choices. Always consider the convenience and cost to determine what's right for you. We hope this video has been informative, and you now have a clearer idea of what to expect. Stay safe, and happy driving!